Hi, Diego.
Say, Charlie Brown, I found this ball. How about practicing a few play skits? I'll hold the ball, and you come running and kick it.
Oh, hi, Diego.
I don't mind your dishonesty half as much as I mind your opinion of me. You must think I'm stupid.
Oh, come on, Charlie Brown.
No.
I'll hold it steady.
No.
Please.
You just want me to come running up to kick that ball so you can pull it away and see me like flat on my back and kill myself.
This time you can trust me. See? Here's a signed document. Testifying that I promise not to pull it away.
It is signed. It's a signed document. I guess if you have a signed document in your possession, you can't go wrong. This year I'm really good at kicking football.
Peculiar thing about this document, it was never notarized.